Good morning. Josie here from Finest Playa. We came here at the bus station, Partas, to reserve tickets for our trip to Manila tomorrow. But they told us that they do not have the schedules yet, so we have to come back in the evening, around 6. We crossed from the bus terminal to come to the market. This is their public market, huge, and the vendors are just starting to open their shops. We'll walk through this alley and come out of on the other side. Then we'll go and find a place to have breakfast. Here, people are collecting their vegetables early in the morning. A pile of banana here. And there's area here. Good morning. People are moving here to there. I see some fruits on this side, watermelon, to remove the husk from the coconut. Good morning.
Good morning.
Kita ang kasano yung bulutan, tinyo.
Neka, pagkik mo.
Ayaw. The husk of the coconut.
Coconut tree.
And this coconut husk are collected to be dried and be used as firewood, or could be ground to make cocoa peats. Thank you. There's coconut. These coconuts are mature, so they grind them to make to extract the milk. Another way of removing the house using right there. Shops are open on this side. Another one processing the coconut using the same smile. Good morning. Nataengan dagito yan ya. Dagito coconut. Nataengan.
Sakto lang mo.
Nga pag maigad.
Bigyan ka maigat mo.
It's just outside the market. From Ilocos. Según Manuaya, may isang abandel. Then a bundle of this is about $1. Good morning. So we are walking on this street, and I see businesses here, international businesses, Mr. Donut, not very far from the Heritage Square. Called Spencer Mall. They're roasting eggplant with eggs. We are on Calle General Luna. Calle General Luna. Calle means road. So this is Calle General Luna. And onto here is Calle Sicatuna. Calle Sicatuna. We're going to take this less busy, quiet street. We are just walking around, discovering little places here in the city of Vigan. Sicatuna, I spotted this whale fin sansevieria. It seems like they like to grow here in this town. I suppose the soil and the temperature is conducive for them to grow. A lot of philodendron here and syngoniums. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
According to the owner of this house, this has been
I think he likes being out.
made, the seashell windows, from a long time ago. She cannot tell when it was made. Amoy no kaano nga naaramid na kita nga run. The woodwork, the wood is still good, not rotted. So she told me that this house was built during colonial times and has been passed from one generation to another. And she is now the owner. She is now the the heiress of this dwelling. And siguro ipatawid yun kay imo na nga anak yun.
Ma'am, siya caretaker ata. Tanil, my grandmother is the caretaker. Sa Timuna.
Timuna.
Sa tinawid-tawid din.
Oo, sikatin ang tawid, ipatawid mong tumatye.
May lagong tumit ma'am.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayan. Kasi dito nga balay, kuha talagang kita old nga balbalay kat.
When tinayo na ma'am, dito kidakal di nga balay.
Ay,
Ay, adas scaffolding na dyan.
Ay, Jellico.
Di naging gined. Nayon na
Kaano
nito.
nga naging gina dito?
Hindi, 2 years ago. Magto 2 years na itong July.
Okay. There was an earthquake and it destroyed part of the house. I see.
So nga, siyempre, milyon na patariman lang. Ila ko na.
Ila ko na lang. Oh. The old house there in the back. Calle Jacinto. We are on Calle Jacinto. Good morning. Pagabigat.
Look at the lot over there.
This old house.
It's all put together with brick and then plaster.
Made from brick, and it was a mansion back then, but it has Seems like neglected, and all kinds of vegetation growing on the wall, and one of them is the speakers here. And more vegetation growing on the side of the building. I hope somebody can restore this building. In the background there is part of the church that is being worked on, restoring the part of the church that was damaged during the earthquake. There's a commercial street because they have the Bank of Commerce over there. We have the BPI Bank, and this bank here is I think it's China Bank. We are here on the square. The church and museums are located. Dog walking, cleaning the streets. Good morning. Here is the cathedral. You can see carefully if they're doing renovation work on the church. There in a minute. Let's see, McDonald's is here in Vigan. McDonald's, and there's Chowking behind the mango tree there. I'm here for breakfast, and I'm going to have noodles. And vegetable dish. These are the selections that they have here.
Hindi may makabuhan din yung ganisa.
Di master may pakbet.
Yung ganisa ko pakbet.
Homemade dishes with rice.
Di lagyan pakbet.
Ilang kanin, ma'am?
This is where the vegetable preparation is being done by this group of men and a lady. So they prepare the vegetables here, and it is cooked by the ladies inside.
Onions and bitter gourd.
And right now they're preparing onions. We have ampalaya here of bitter gourd, and she prepared chayote or sayote. And then they have chiles over here. Now she's preparing carrots. This is the food court. And this is the broth that is cooking all day. Keeps the broth nice and rich. We're crossing the street to McDonald's to get a cup of coffee for Ned and tea for me. How you make your order. You get a number and then put your order on this ordering machine. And then go to the counter. When your number is called in, you get your order. You either pay there or pay with a credit card on this machine. ago caused this damage to this building and the other buildings as well. Some people cannot afford to fix the damages as a result of the earthquake, and so the buildings are just left as is. Look at the crack on the side of the building. We are back at the square. We are on our way to Mang Inasal to have halo-halo. Plaza Burgess. Food court over there on my left, and here a big area, popular place for students and government employees. Food is affordable. This is a fountain that comes to life at night at 7:30.